high-rise buildings are really more technical and complex than a lot of people appreciate. I'm traveling, I'm staying on the 17th floor of a Marriott property, and for instance, just to get hot water to your sink, it's not the normal process or plumbing like in a normal property. You're up on the 17th floor. Both the pressure and delivery of warm water in a timely manner is something. And there's no fan in this bathroom. Well, that's another design element as well. That's where the air circulation is, and you're not in control of the fan. They have a stack, and that gets rather technical as well, because if the humidity outside, if the outside membrane of the property is not sealed properly, if there's too much of a pressure differential, then that can lead to mold. So our high-rise properties are pretty technical and pretty amazing.